17. All right, look. I'm hold on. Come close to the phone.
You're gonna make me kill myself.
What is up, J Squad? Man, back in the video, bro. Look, listen. Hey, oh! I'll fix it.
It's time to shine. And I ain't talking about my boy. Oh my goodness.
What is up, J Squad, man? Back with another video, man. Hold on, I don't think I did. I was like this. We don't do that no more. What is up, J Squad, man? Back with another video. We about to do a monkey video. All right, if you've been on my Instagram, boom. If you've been on my Instagram, look, you know. And I post some new pictures. Like my shit up. Sorry to tell you that. You ain't gonna lie. All right, look, let's do this. I don't know what I'm gonna put. What should I say? Look, see, bro, see, this that weird shit. That's that weird shit, see? That's why I don't get on monkey. It's like people like this. No. You see what I mean? It's that weird shit. Like, it's like, what's really the point, bro?
That was the weirdest experience ever, bro. I should have.
What up?
Hey.
How you been?
What you doing?
Oh, nothing.
Good. How about you?
I'm just making a YouTube video.
Okay.
Bro, she was bad. Bro, I just froze up. What am I supposed to do? Yeah, what up? Oh, hell no. What up, man?
What's happening?
You look faded. You been smoking?
Fuck no.
No. Do you smoke?
Hell.
No. All right, that's good. That's good. Keep the great work. Bro, I dead don't know what to do. So we're just gonna add a couple of questions. So this is gonna be just a basic one. Yo, what up?
Hi. What's up?
So light skins or dark skins?
You said who's light skin? You say you're light skin?
No, light skins or dark skins. Pick.
Light skin. I like both.
You like? Oh, you was a freak. Oh, hold on. No, she is not a freak, bro. She look like, I don't know what she look like, bro. Bro, I dead don't know what to do. I like, bro, it's just a monkey video. I guess y'all just gonna see me on monkey for the first time. Yo! Yo, what's up, bro?
What are you doing, bro?
Nothing, bro. Just chilling. This man got a Glock. Bro, you done showed your whole face and you showed the Glock. Yo, what up? How old you is?
Yes.
Guess? I can't see your face. Nah, you look 12. Look, I just played the hell out of her. I like playing people sometimes. Yeah, bro. See, I don't condone none of this. Don't smoke, kids. Own a Glock, though. Have a gun on you for protection. Don't be flexing it. But have a gun on you, just in case. I don't care if a cop sees you. Nothing. Just in case, bro. I hope y'all actually know this, but I got a freestyle coming on for my peoples. By the week, I should drop the baby freestyle on my Instagram. If not, I don't know. Yo! This is what I gotta deal with. This is what I gotta deal with. This is what I gotta deal with, bro. This is why I don't get on monkey like that. Yo. See? Now it's a black screen. They don't like being on this YouTube. But it's like, it's weird because people be mad disrespectful when I'm like recording. But then as soon as I start recording, now everybody wants to be like this whole innocent person. Next monkey video, we're gonna pick up some girls. We're gonna get some girls' numbers. I hope y'all ready for that one. For real. Shoot, we can do it right now. Bro, it dead just turned my phone down. Yo. Is that a guy or a girl?
Yeah. I'm gonna run away now.
Oh, so that is a guy. Oh.
It is.
Okay, so that's a
I'm way too much.
using that for the thumbnail. Using that for the thumbnail. That's a good old thumbnail. That is a good old thumbnail. Yes, sir. That was a good old thumbnail. She had nothing. But look, that's a good old thumbnail.
Just fat.
Yo, what up?
So I'm the fat version of a fat person?
That's all for me. You fucking pig. I didn't mean that. Yo! Yo, my man was in the bathtub, yo. Yo, what up?
What up, cuz?
Yo, listen, bro. Listen, bro. Look, listen. How do you think? You think I can pick up some girls, bro? You think I got hoes, bro? Be honest.
No.
Hard waking up every day and still being fucking ugly. That shit get old. Like, why my glow up keep passing me?
Wow, bro. Watch this. Yo.
Yo,
Oh, what's it called? What's your name? Serena? Selena. Oh. That's on real quick. That's on. Yo, so I gotta ask you a couple of questions, alright? You think you can do that for me? Alright.
Yeah.
First question. Light skins or dark skins?
dark skins.
Why?
Just cause.
Just cause what? I could say I like apples just cause.
Yeah, because like, I don't know. I just fuck with dark skins better.
Okay. Oh yeah. So what I need you to do, right? I don't care how disrespectful you want to get. Listen, I need you to rate me from 1 to 10. It's simple.
Your personality is, alright, your looks is, your personality is a 10.
Okay. All right. So I'm ugly and I'm funny. Okay. Get off my phone, fucking bitch. I'm sorry. Look, yo. It's a black bro. See, this is what the bullshit I gotta deal with. People don't want to talk, bro. I'm just trying to have a good old conversation on the damn app. You can spit. He's dead gonna report. He's dead. Oh, he's rapping. Bro, he is, bro. That's not cool, bro. Bro, he blocked me because he started rapping, bro. Yo, you think you can spit, bro?
Ugly as fuck, nigga.
Bro. Show your face, bud. Show your face for the YouTube. Show your face for the YouTube. Show your face for the YouTube, bud. Show your face for the YouTube. That's why you got sour balls. Shut up, bud. Shut up. Exactly. What up? What the fuck? Yo, what is going on, bro? Oh, sorry, yeah. Yo. What up? Yeah. She had a big old nose, I ain't gonna lie. She had a big old nose, but look, y'all, look. I can't stop. I cannot stop until I reach at least 10. If I reach 10, or if I go further, that'll be dope. Yo, make a smoke ring. Make a smoke ring. No gang. No gang. Make a smoke. Don't end like that. Don't end up. Don't end up like them, please. Don't. Just don't. It's no point. There's literally no point of ending up like them. Just don't. No, like for real. Don't end up like them. Because if you do, I'm gonna smack the hell out of you. Because I'm like, listen, bro.
What's up?
What up?
What's up?
Add time real quick. Yo, wow, yo. I be playing, bro. Yo, what up, bro? Are you in the toilet?
If you got a helmet on, it's a neck shot. If you got a vest on, it's a head shot. Niggas walk around with their dead spot. Leaking out the pot, nigga, I come air spot.
Bro, I would dead kill. Bro, I would smack him in his chest, bro. Yo, you think you can rap, bro, for the YouTube?
Like me and ass. Like, ain't no way you gonna get this money, bro. Ain't no niggas out here fucked up, down bad.
Bruh, so you telling me you're having a whole motivational speech right now and you're on monkey? I'm a little lame. I'm just playing. Ugly. Oh, damn, bruh. What up, bruh? Yo, remember the juice I gave you, bruh? Remember? I said, remember the juice I gave you when I was in your neighborhood? That little Capri Suns? Nah, you remember me, bruh? You remember I gave you them Capri Suns? Bro, you got give me the cash. Give me the cash. Oh, hell no, bro. Nah, I'm tripping. Bro, I gave you a Capri Sun. You owe me, bro.
I respect the hustle, though, young nigga. I respect it. Keep pushing with that. You gonna get somewhere with that, what down God. Keep hustling like that. Real shit. That's all you gotta do.
Yeah, I owe you. Yeah, exactly. Can I get $1 now?
I'm glad you got cash out, no cap.
Oh, you're dead serious. S-O. S-O.
You got cash out or what, bro?
Yeah, I do. I got cash out.
What's your cash out?
S-O-F-W.
The fuck she want?
Wait, you got that? No! Ooh! I got some cash! Hi. What you doing? No, I'm not asking. I feel like, look, I got nothing wrong, bro. I'm sorry. Bro. I have nothing. There's nothing wrong with being gay, bro. Nothing wrong with being gay, bro. To you, no real stuff. Like my phone's turning it out. I don't know. Yo.
Yo, Wagwan.
Oh, where you from?
Jamaica, nigga.
Yo. Nah, hold on. I'm tired real quick. Nah, real talk though. Yo, how do you say I love you in Jamaica, bro? Huh? Oh, me love you.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, that's all I wanted. He said I'm from Jamaica, nigga. Bro, who says that, bro? Who says that, bro? Well, that boy.
Make me look better than me, bro. Like, I want to hear that shit. What be wrong with these niggas, bro?
Yeah, exactly, bro. I be recording and everything, bro. See, he feels the pain. What he basically said was, I look better than some people, and they talking mad stuff. What's wrong with people? How's our day, though? How's our day? Once you reach like 15 minutes, bro, I gotta dip, because I ain't got no much time, because I got school tomorrow. I did got school tomorrow, work to everything. I got school tomorrow. So, Yeah, I'm not here. Yo, I'm sorry if there's talking in the background. I can't really handle it. Yo.
Hello.
Yeah, what up?
Hey.
What's up?
Nothing. What you doing?
Nothing.
Oh.
What's your name?
My name is Paris. What's your name?
Paris? Ooh. Sorry. My name is Jakir.
You said what?
I said nothing. My name is Jakir, and I'm 16. How old are you?
16, finna be 17 on Friday.
Oh, I'm finna be 17 in July. Hold on. Wait. Hold on.
You got a long way to go, though.
Listen. Where are you from?
South Carolina.
I know you're lying. I'm in North Carolina. Where that everything.
I'm not lying.
So you in South Carolina, right?
I'm not lying.
You're in South Carolina?
Yeah.
Listen. I'm gonna just get up close. Listen. I'm recording the video. Look.
You said what?
I'm recording a video. Just act like you sliding the digits, alright? Alright?
You said what?
Act like you sliding them digits. You don't have to actually give it to me, but you're on video. So just act like you sliding them digits. Yo! Bro, wow, bro. Bro, I don't even want this girl's numbers, bro.
Yo.
Alright, what up, bro?
Yo, what's good? How you doing?
Good. You making money right now?
Thanks.
For real? Alright, keep that hustle up.
You too, bro.
There's a
Chicken in your hair?
what? What she say? I kill her family. I'm joking. Look, y'all probably like, no. Bro, when I tell you this generation is soft, yo, what up?
What's up?
So. That time. So, what's your name?
My name's Millie.
Millie. You look like mulatto. Ain't even gonna lie to you. But,
I look like Mulatto.
yeah. Yo, for real.
I wish.
I guess it came true already. But, anyways, my name is Jakir. You look 17.
Yeah.
You are 17. Alright, look. Hold on. Come close to the phone.
I'm very young.
You gonna make me kill myself.
Look. Just come close to the phone. Look. Come close to the phone real quick. Listen. Come.
You're too young.
No, I'm not. I'm 16. Bro! Y'all on YouTube. Y'all are on YouTube. Yeah, now y'all look stupid as hell. Yo, what's up? Look. Oh, you smoke? Do a ring. No, not ring. Do a ring. Bro, are they fucking stupid? Are they stupid? Like mentally. Okay. You wanna hear me sing? Hold on, no. Add time. You ready? Add time. Look. Is that are you a kid? Look, listen. Look, matter of fact, just skip. Bro, we ending the video. Look, listen, y'all. Listen, we're done. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all for watching. Like my video up. I'll do more. As y'all see, this app is very frustrating for me. I can still get your girl. I don't care what nobody says. Call me ugly. I got holes in my phone.
Nigga, shut the hell up and eat a cinnamon roll.
But, I mean, yeah. So, I'll see y'all later. Because I'm out, bro. I'm tired of this, bro. For real.